This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup truck that my sister and I are in the process of restoring. And today I want to talk about removing the climatizer controls / heater defroster controls. This is the back side looking at it from the engine compartment. Over here on this side, this cable right here actually engages the valve on the engine that allows water to flow into the heater core, which is actually mounted right here. This cable right here is what engages the defroster system. The defroster system mounts up to here, and when you turn that on, it opens a valve, allows air to come into here. It goes down here and it comes out through your exhaust, your heater, your defrost vents on the windows. This switch right here is for engaging your fan system for your heat, and that fan system again is located inside this little box that I've talked about earlier, and it engages the motor and allows it to blow the air either through the defrost or down through the floor vent here itself. To disconnect this system, on this side right here you have this nut that holds the cable for the water, and it just comes off with a 3/4 inch wrench. You just pop that off of there, and then to take these two apart, we got to go to the inside and disconnect them from the inside. This is the climatizer control system inside the pickup. Just to reorient yourself, this cable right here is what closes the valve or opens the valve on the engine to allow water to go into the heater core. This button right here is the control for opening up the defrost vent, and then this button right here is for the switch to engage the fan for the heater system. The water control valve here, we already removed the nut from the outside, and so we'll just pull it on in through here. And so there's your water control valve. Again, it's just a cable you push in, you pull out to engage that. For this control valve here, even though it's a cable, it's not one that you pull. This is one that you actually spin, you turn to open and close your defrost vents. And that's important to know so that you're not trying to pull it on out. To remove this knob, there's actually a set Allen screw here on the bottom that you need to loosen up, and then this will come on off of there. Securing the defroster switch to the plate is this little nut here, and on this nut you got a couple little slots that you can use if you need to put a little punch or something in there and tap it and to loosen that up so that you can fully take that off. But just go ahead and, once it's loose, go ahead and unscrew that. Again, that's the nut right there. Then this comes out from the back side. And there's a switch. There's actually a little gasket here that's on the back side here, so don't forget about that. But I just want to show you again how the switch works. Put this on, and then as you spin it, you can see the cable coming in and out, and that's what opens and closes your defrost vent. The last thing to remove is the switch here, and for this the button just pulls straight off of there. It's got a little slot here that it slides into, and again you just turn it on and off. It's held on by this 3/4 inch nut here, and we found that using the socket was the best tool to remove that nut. And then that nut comes off. Then your plate for your climatizer controls / heater defroster will come off. This looks like it's in pretty good shape. And then your switch comes off for your fan motor, and that's what it looks like. Got a couple of wires there. And that's what it takes to remove your climatizer control system or heater defroster system. Hopefully this will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much. Bye.